Look at that one there. Another bird. From the time she started building her nest to when she started laying eggs to when she started covering them and hatch them, it's been about a month. It's time for you to leave, Dovey. Okay, now my unit has all this poop that may become a problem. So it's time for you to leave, okay? Alright, if you are new to my channel, Planting Nature Warm, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, and make your comment. What do you all think? There's so much poop here, I think it's time for them to leave, right? So they don't mess up my unit. I like you all, but it's time to go. You're messing up my unit now, alright? Oh, the babies are flying now too, right? Okay. The babies flew. The babies are flying. You can keep them. Use a book to mess up my stuff. Is it better to be on the ground or just like this? I'm not really sure about that. Which one is the best? So much is everywhere. So much. Oh my God, so many stuff are inside. So many stuff are inside. So they are already flying, so they better just fly away before they mess up my AC unit. So many stuff, poop and all those stuff are inside, you know. So they better just stay over there. They're already flying. I didn't know they were flying already. So as soon as I got close, they flew. As soon as I got close to start climbing, all of them flew. So the babies are actually flying. So I probably haven't seen them flying before. They just flew with the mom. But all the poop and all the nesting materials, all the sticks, the debris, they are all inside the AC unit. But I was able to remove some are inside. But I believe if I continue to leave it, it's going to be a problem. And this thing will have a problem. There are some inside already. I don't know if it's already a problem. But, let me see. I'm going to see if there's more on it. So here is the nest. All the poop. Here is the nest. All the poop are falling inside. I wanted to put the babies in here for now and clean it and put something there like a little cardboard paper and put the babies, but the babies are already flying. So I don't need to, yeah, the babies are already flying. other side, but I can't even go in there now. I'm trying to see if I can get to the other side. If I put it here, it may hurt this thing. Well, anyway, I think this is enough. I want to make sure there's no more stuff in there. Oh my God, so much poop inside. I don't know what that is going to do, but there's so much poop inside. Well, I don't know if the poop is going to affect the unit, but there's so much poop inside. But hopefully they're not going to come back. They're going to find a different home because they flew. I was going to put the babies in here and do it, and then put a cardboard until they are able to fly, but they already fly. All right, so if you like this video, make your comment, share, and like. And let me know what you think about this bed hosting thing. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to Plant and Nature One. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I have to send this back. Let me put this back. All right, folks, I'm going to end this video here. So I have been hosting this bed nesting for the past 1 month. The dove started building the nest, and then after building the nest, it started laying eggs. It laid 2 eggs, and then it hatched them. And since last Sunday is when I saw one baby here. I came around here and I saw the mom flew and one of the baby fell. I think he hatched them probably on Saturday. That's what I would think, because it wasn't fresh. And since then, then I climbed up and I checked and I saw that the second baby had hatched, and I showed you the video. And since then, it's been covering them. But then there's so much poop and all the debris from the nesting and the poop, they were all falling down the AC unit. And I'm like, if I leave it for so long, I don't know if it's going to affect the unit. And I think it will, because with so much debris and poop going inside, that's not good for health either, if it's blowing. So I wanted to move the babies and put them in this place and find somewhere and where put them in a little corner where the rain or water will not touch them, and the mom can meet them there. But as soon as I tried to climb, mom flew, the babies flew. I didn't know the babies have already started flying. So they just flew. I think that's one of the baby right there. Babies right there. So they are flying already. So I'm just gonna let it be. So if you like this video, if you just make your comment, what do you think about this bed hosting? I've tried to host them and keep them. Babies are already flying, so they don't need to be here and pooping and messing up my unit anymore. So it's time for them to go. All right, so like this video, share, and make a comment. And if you haven't subscribed to Plant and Nature One, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.